हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप बाई फ्रांसिस बेकन के एक्सप्लेनेशन के बारे में बताएंगे। फर्स्ट है बट लिटिल से लेकर के देयर इज नो लव, लाइन्स 14 to 18। These lines have been taken from Bacon's essay entitled Of Friendship. Bacon tells that those who love solitude are either beast or person of divine nature. He tells that normal human beings always desire a companionship, however meditative sort of person like solitude. Explanation. Bacon tells that mostly people do not understand the true meaning of solitude. They do not know the real scope of solitude. Its scope is quite wide. It extends from a lovely place to even a crowded place. A man may feel lonely even in the crowd of human beings. For example, if a person is in the company of a stranger, even though in a crowd he will feel lonely. According to Bacon, crowd is not a company. Even in the midst of many people, a man may feel quite lonely. In the company of a stranger, a person does not get that love and affection which he expects from his friends and well-wishers. To such a person, the strangers are just like pictures hung on the wall in a picture gallery. He cannot exchange ideas with them. Their voices are also mere sound devoid of human emotion. Bacon means to say that solitude is a very wider term. Bacon's explanation of solitude is quite convincing. नेक्स्ट है बट बी में से लेकर के ह्यूमैनिटी, लाइन्स 22 से 27। Reference and context. These lines have been extracted from Bacon's essay entitled Of Friendship. Bacon says that the scope of solitude is quite wide. A person can feel lonely even in the midst of a crowd. Solitude is not confined to a place where there is no company. Bacon tells that solitude involves the intellectual state of the mind of a person. Explanation. हेडिंग है बेकन affirms that solitude is a miserable condition for a person. No doubt the place where there is no company is quite troublesome, but it is also true that where a person is without a companionship, even at a place where there is company, he is certainly in a miserable state. He is a stranger in the crowd, but a friendless person is most unfortunate. For such a person, this world is like a desert. Even in the midst of people, he is lonely and people do not exist for him. Bacon further says that a person who does not like a company or who is unsuitable for companionship is no better than a beast. A person who likes friendship has something of divine in him. Thus, Bacon stresses the importance of friendship in human life. नेक्स्ट है इट इज ए स्ट्रेंज से लेकर के ग्रेटनेस, लाइन्स 39 से 42। Reference and context. These lines have been extracted from Bacon's essay of friendship. Bacon considers friendless people as beasts, and those who have friends have something of the divine in them. Telling about the advantage of friendship, he says that friendship provides an outlet to the oppressive feeling of the hurt. The communication with friend reduces the misery of a man. Heading a explanation. In these lines, Bacon says that it may seem strange that the gift of friendship is so great and precious that even the great emperors and kings value it very highly. They make friends even at the risk of their dignity and greatness. They seek friendship from common people in whom they even repose their trust. In doing so, they invite the displeasure of their relatives. Such friendship leads to resentment and conspiracies, endangering the person and office of the great monarch. Thus, for the sake of friendship, the security and dignity of kings and emperors are endangered, but they take this risk in order to test the fruit of friendship. Bacon is right in his observation, because there are many examples in history of such friendship of kings and emperors. नेक्स्ट है व्हाट वन थिंग से लेकर के ग्रीप द लेस, लाइन्स 117 से लेकर 123. रेफरेंस एंड कॉन्टेक्स्ट. हेडिंग है दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम बेकन्स एसे इंटाइटल्ड ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप. बेकन टेल्स अबाउट द वेरियस एडवांटेजेस ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप. He said that even the greatest kings and emperors made friends at the cost of their status and glory. Bacon asserts his point with the help of several examples. Heading है explanation. In these lines, Bacon tells that communication with other people is helpful in two ways, which have the opposite result. First, when a person shares his joys with his friends, his joy is increased and becomes almost double. Secondly, when he is miserable and expresses his grief to his friend, his heart feels relieved and lightened. His misery is reduced to a great extent. So Bacon says in both the contraries ways, the person communicating with his friends enjoy double advantage. He feels more happy in his joys, and he feels relieved in his moment of grief when he shares his grief with his friends. Thanks, best of luck.